All right, you guys. So it is. All right, you guys. So it is 5:12 a.m. It is Sunday. What the hell is it? Sunday? Sunday, May 1st. It's turkey season. It's literally here. I just pulled up to my spot. I haven't scouted. I haven't done nothing. I've been so busy. I'm waiting for Adam. I rolled my window down, and there are turkeys gobbling right up there right now. It is pitch black out. It is literally still black out. I'm so excited. We're gonna get up there. I'm gonna get all the cameras ready. I'm gonna get one for the gun. I'm gonna have so much fun with this today. Adam should be here in a second. He's actually pulling up right now. There's Adam. Yeah, so they're gobbling already, dude. I'm so stoked right now. They're hammering. They're literally hammering already. Oh,
I thought you recorded it.
I am recording it. Get your shit, we gotta go. Alright, so the sun's coming up. I'm just gonna get all my stuff together. I'll see you guys up there. They're literally hammering everywhere, dude. That's right behind me. Yeah, it was right behind me. Alright, so these turkeys are clearly going nuts right now. We're all strapped up, we're ready to go. We're gonna see which one we want to go on. We're gonna get up to the top of this hill and see which one's the closest to us and probably pick that one. I heard one up to our left. We've got probably like 6 of them total. It's gonna be fun. Hey, he's not far. We can probably kill him in the battlefield. You can try. Oh, I know why. You're the owl. There's an owl right here. They're right there. I think it sounds like the rain in the train. I mean, they're really close. I am. Wow. Well, we have to. They're not far. I just don't want them to fly down to the middle field. That's close. I know. Let's try it. Let's tell it's on the bottom field. I guarantee you they probably see this right here. Okay. We're gonna cut up through here up the deer trail. We're gonna come up by the pond and see if when they fly, we'll start calling in a little bit, and then we'll see if we can draw right in the middle field. The good thing about the middle field is there's so many hidden pockets. They're gonna be curious and they're gonna come and look around the pockets. Oh my god. I'm thinking if we get over maybe in here. Right up against this corner, getting covered by some of that brush maybe. Is there anything here? We have to get here or on the other side of the pond. I'm more worried right now about where covering our trees and these where your trees. Alright, let's just keep walking now. You see, The hell? All I could see was like that.
Shit. Alright, so I've already royally screwed up this morning. I just missed a bird over here. I was just too low. All I seen was the tip of his head. We just made out another call. And we got another turkey up above this field that we're right next to. So we're gonna make our way over, see if we can't get on him.
get him? Hell yeah.
That was the most intense turkey of my life.
Dude, I literally watched them come out of the corner of that field. I caught them all the way down to right here, and then literally a squirrel gets in the way. I'm like, I can't move. The hen's right to my left. She was literally like 2 inches from you.
I don't know how we didn't get busted.
I mean, if you look, the sun's right to our back and all that light coming in. Wow. Oh, dude, good job.
That was a little bit of a poke, maybe like 35. 30.
So how far did we go? We came up, our truck's parked over here. We came up just on the other side of this. I missed the turkey right there. I mean, I was literally a straight shot. We walked 3 feet. You called, and they came down from there. We had birds all over us this morning.
I mean, everywhere.
I mean, literally everywhere.
I really hope this was recording. I pressed the button.
Just tap the back, see if it is. Nope.
Oh, we tried.
Yeah, we're getting there. But hold them up.
Yep. What a nice bird.
Yeah, that's great, dude.
Wow.
May 1st. May 1st got it done.
Thank you for letting me crack them.
You know what? Honestly, dude, like after the first one, I'm like, I just want to run the camera.
Because I screwed it up so bad.
Well, we got set up, and the fact that like I was on a hill, like I could see my GoPro. I could see the turkey in my GoPro because it was on.
Right. And
then basically everything below the GoPro was hill, so I couldn't see anything from there. But we got lucky.
Hindsight, the hill might have been the issue. They only came as close as just so where they could peek their heads over and look. We were banking on that they would come over and look and give you at least a little bit of a shot. But
hey, got it done. Let's see that beard.
Nice, like 6.
Certified New York beard right
Close.
there.
3/4.
Sweet.
Beautiful bird. Look at him. Did you get the whole shot on too?
Yeah, I got the whole thing. I don't know if I got you pulling the trigger because I got a bunch of that brush in the way and that squirrel, but
What a beauty.
get the point, right?
What a beauty.
Cool, man.
All right, well.